Let's make something festive and delicious. For this homemade eggnog, you want to start with 6 large egg yolks. Not the egg whites, just the egg yolks. And we're going to add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to that. And we'll whisk it together really well. Now here at the stove, we have 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream in a heavy bottom stainless steel sauce pot. Now you can use any pot that you have, but you can turn the heat up higher with a heavy bottom stainless steel. So I have it over about medium heat. If you don't have anything like this to put it in, you may want to turn your heat down to medium low. So to this, we are going to add just a pinch of salt. It is not eggnog without nutmeg. So we have a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. So now we are going to heat this up until it's starting to get nice and warm. Now we need to temper our egg yolks so that it doesn't curdle and you don't have scrambled eggs in your eggnog. So I have about a 1/2 cup of our milk mixture. You want to stir it in as you're pouring it. You want to whisk really fast and really hard because you are bringing the egg yolks and sugar up to the same temperature as your milk and cream. So now I'm going to add another 1/2 cup. Basically, you want to heat your milk and cream mixture until it starts to steam a little bit, because you don't want to heat it till it's boiling, because you don't really want to boil your milk, because then your cream will start to curdle. Because cream should never be heated to boiling. So now you've put in enough that you should be fine to pour it back in. Now you want to slowly pour your egg mixture back in and whisk it hard while you're drizzling. Now you want to keep whisking until you know that it's all mixed in well. Then you want to switch to a rubber spatula so that you can scrape down the sides and scrape down in the corners. You let this cook until it starts to thicken. If you have a heavy bottom sauce pot, you will cook this on about medium. If your sauce pot isn't so heavy bottom, do it on medium low. But keep stirring the whole time so you don't curdle your eggs. Now this is nice and warm. And as you can see, when I stir it, you can see it splashing up on the side of the pot. And it's leaving a coating on the side of the pot. That's how you know it's ready. Now I've already turned off the heat. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, roughly measured, of course. You don't want to go real heavy with the vanilla in this because it can compete with the nutmeg taste. And now you want to pour this into a pitcher and let it chill for several hours until it's nice and chilled and cold. Look how thick and rich that is. It is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
It took about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how high you have your heat, to get it that thick. Now, if you want it thinner, don't cook it as long. But remember, as it gets cold, it gets thicker. And also remember, with homemade eggnog, it's very rich. So you want less of it, because it is extremely rich and beyond belief delicious. I hope you enjoyed this one throughout the Christmas season. And remember, come back next time to Angela K's Kitchen, where I take you from gourmet to everyday and everything in between. God bless. Toast or what, till you're done fiddling with the light.
I'm fiddling.
Devil went down to Georgia looking for his old steel. He was in behind, way behind him, looking at me deal. They came across this young man sawing on fiddle and playing the hop. And the devil jumped up on the hick or something and said, "Boy, let me tell you what. Yes, you didn't know it, I'm a fiddle player too. And if you care to take a dare, I'll make a bet with you. Now, you play a pretty good fiddle, boy, but get the devil his due. I bet put a little gold against your sword and think I'm better than you." Dun, dun, dun.
Are you done yet?
I'm fiddling now. You said I was fiddling, I had to get to the fiddling part. I'd get the fiddling part. You said I was fiddling. Alright, I'm done fiddling.
Now I'm gonna get done laughing.